In this video, let's learn how to add lock screen pin on your A06 mobile. Go to mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to lock screen option. Click on this screen lock type option. In here, you can click on this pin option. After, you can type 6-digit pin in here. Now example, I type 0 and click to continue. Again, you want to retype your pin. Okay, now we successfully add our pin to our lock screen. Let's check how it works. Now I lock my screen. Now we want to add our pin to open our mobile. We want to add our correct pin to open our mobile. In this method, you can add the pin to your mobile lock screen.